Step 1. For uniquely constructed engine like this, there are mainly two bolts present under the engine for draining out the oil. You have to loosen both the bolts so that the engine oil is completely drained out till the last drop. Consider this as the main step and the mandatory step to do, because we have to prevent the engine oils from getting mixed, the new engine oil and the old engine oil. Next step is to dismantle the carburetor, which is basically situated behind the engine and under the tank, using size 10 Allen key for cleaning purpose. Once the carburetor is dismantled, you just have to detach the throttle wire which is connected to throttle valve. Alongside, you also have to remove the fuel supply pipe which is connected to the carburetor, so as to make it completely independent so that we can deep clean it. It is always recommended to clean engine parts or carburetor using some amount of petrol, because these parts are made up of mostly aluminium, mild steel, cast iron and more materials. So don't forget to keep some amount of petrol and cleaning brush aside next time. And for any reason, if you like this video and the first two videos which were posted prior to this one, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and more such content is coming your way. Always get the spark plug checked of your bike and do clean the carbon saturated around it, which helps improving the fuel efficiency of bike. So the next step is to change the oil filter, and I would recommend you that you should always change the oil filter at almost every single servicing so that your oil will stay refined in engine. So this is the first time that I'll be using the oil by the brand Solar. I personally checked and compared it with Motul, and it seems to be more thick and viscous than Motul. So let's see. After changing the oil, we just had to fix the carburetor again, as we had to assemble it back to the right place, and my bike was almost serviced at that point of time. It's just that I was facing some minor issues with hazard lights, those are the indicators. It were not blinking correctly due to some loose connection. I also had some issues with horn. Yes, it also had some loose connection problem, so we had to fix it. No, they were not changed. We got it repaired and we fixed them back. And after that, we had to tighten the chain of the bike, as I had almost rode like 4,000 kilometers before that, and all the work was done smoothly and the bike performed really very well after the test ride. And it costed me about like 1300 rupees, just 1300 rupees for the servicing. And last but not the least, if you like today's video, please like and share the videos with your friends and family, and please do subscribe the channel so that I'll be getting more such content for you guys, so that you will be entertained and your precious time will be used on watching good content ahead. Thank you so much.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind